Hey guys, I've got two interesting integration problems today. Let's see how to solve this problem. First one is e power cot inverse x into 1 minus x plus x squared by 1 plus x squared dx. In general, இப்போ e power ஒரு exponential function வந்தாலே we will relate it to the general formula of integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. இந்த பேட்டர்ன் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும். ஸோ எக்ஸ்பெனன்ஷியல் ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்தால் அந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனும் அதோட டெரிவேட்டிவும் இருக்கணும், இல்லைனா அதை நம்ம அந்த ஃபார்மேட்டில் கொண்டு வரணும். If that is the case, then the result for this will be e power x into f power x plus c. Right? As this is indefinite integral, we are having plus c used in the last. So இப்போ இங்கே என்ன ஆகும், e power x ஃபார்மேட்டில் கொண்டு வரணும். So let's take cot inverse x as t. Cot inverse x t எடுக்கலாம். So immediately what do? We will just get dt by dx. This is the basic substitution method. Dt by dx will be minus 1 by 1 plus x square, right? Cot inverse x order derivative is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, dt will be minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So part of the question is now being replaced in that dx by 1 plus x square நம்ம dt ல replace பண்ணிடலாம். Alright. And இன்னொன்று என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, from this x is equal to cot t. Can you understand this? Cot inverse t வந்து இங்க shift ஆகும்போது it becomes cot. Alright. So now rearranging the entire question in terms of t, you will have e power t 1 minus x. X is nothing but cot t, and x square is nothing but cot square t, right? In the question la irukra ella x terms ayum nama t terms la maatrom, and dx by 1 plus t square நம்ம என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம், it is minus dt, right? Flipping the minus sign to the other side, it is minus dt. So you will just write minus dt here. Okay, so as it substitute பண்ணியாச்சு. Now arrange to get the integration done. So in the minus you can bring it out. So it becomes e power t into 1 minus cot t plus cot square t. So இப்போ 1 plus cot square t நம்ம 10th class identity படிச்சிருக்கோம், which is cosecant square t. So you will rewrite that as cosecant square t minus cot t dt. Right? In the minus is already out. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், we know that cot t ஓட derivative is minus cosecant square t. Okay, so in the formatல நம்ம கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம் e power x into function and its derivative. Okay, now you can also use this minus sign again. இதை உள்ள கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா என்ன ஆகும், நமக்கு e power t cot t minus cosecant square t dt. When you bring this minus inside, in the ரெண்டு terms swap right. Okay, so now this is exactly in the standard form. இதுதான் function, இதுதான் derivative. So the result for that will be e power t function, which is cot t plus c. Okay, this will be your answer. Now we'll have to bring this everything back to x form. நம்ம வந்து t-னை substitute பண்ணது ஒரு easy integration பண்றதுக்காக இப்போ எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்ம x formல மாற்றணும். So you will rewrite t as cot inverse x everywhere. Okay, so இது என்ன ஆகும், e power cot inverse x cot of cot inverse x plus c. And in inverse trigonometric functions la படிச்சிருக்கோம், cot of cot inverse t or x will be x. So you will rearrange again x into e power cot inverse x plus c is your final answer. Hope this question is interesting and it's very easy. In the exponential format vandale, you will have to think of getting it into the format of function and its derivative. And the next question here, between log root 2 and log root 3, the intervals, and this is the question again, an exponential question. So இது வந்து definite integral. இங்கேயும் நமக்கு log and exponential function இருந்தா, we'll have to think of doing some substitution method. So first thing what we can do is, we will just arrange and simplify the given question. So it becomes 1 by e power x plus 1 by e power x, right? E power minus x is 1 by e power x into e power x minus 1 by e power x, right? So நம்ம அந்த denominator மட்டும் இந்த மாதிரி simplify பண்ணிருக்கோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் I'll put it back to the integration form. Okay, so now this is going to be 1 by e power 2x. When you take LCM in the denominator for this term, it becomes e power 2x plus 1 whole divided by e power x. Similarly, இங்கேயும் அதே தான் ஆகுது, just the minus sign is the difference. E power 2x minus 1 by e power x. Okay, so next என்ன பண்ணலாம்? This e power x into e power x using laws of exponents, it becomes e power 2x, and that is being reciprocated. மேலே கொண்டு போனீங்கன்னா it becomes e power 2x by e power 2x plus 1 into e power 2x minus 1. Okay, so ஓரளவுக்கு simplify பண்ணி become பண்ணுறோம். இப்போ அதை இந்த இடத்துல கம்ப்ளீட்டாக சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். பட் பிஃபோர் தட் we will just take e power 2x as t. Okay, once again we will just bring it in the substitution form. E power 2x is equal to t. So இதை differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? dt is equal to 2e power 2x dx. Alright, 2e power 2x dx. Now in this question, after we have simplified, it becomes log root 2 to log root 3 e power 2x dx by e power 2x plus 1 into e power 2x minus 1. And denominator, if you notice, it is already in the identity a plus b into a minus b. Now we'll completely substitute everything in terms of t. The e power 2x dx now, e power 2x dx from this is dt by 2. And இதை வந்து t plus 1 into t minus 1 ஆயிடும். அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம t change பண்ணும்போது we have to ensure that the intervals are also changed with respect to t. ஏன்னா இந்த given values, it's only for x. So you have to change it with respect to t. அப்போ அதையும் நம்ம change பண்ணிடலாம். So t is equal to e power 2 log root 3. First, I'm substituting x க்கு பதிலா log root 3, the upper interval. So இது என்ன change பண்ணலாம்? This is e power log root 3 power 2 using log rules. Log a power m is m log a. So this is e power log 3, root 3 whole square is 3. And another log function, e power log x is x, so this becomes 3. Similarly, நம்ம lower interval substitute பண்ணோம்னா, that becomes when x is equal to log root 2, t becomes 2. So interval என்ன ஆக போகுது? 2 to 3 shift ஆயிடுச்சு. So now putting that also in place, 2 to 3, e power 2x dx is dt by 2, and the denominator is 1 by t plus 1 into t minus 1. Okay, so ரொம்ப ஒரு easy formatல கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். Now rearrange and integrate. 2 to 3, you can bring this 2 also outside, 1 by 2 out, 1 by, and this is a plus b and a minus b as informed before. So this is a square minus b square dt. Okay, now this is of the general form x square minus a square. So 1 by 2, அதுக்கான formula நமக்கு தெரியும். இங்க x என்றது t, a is 1. So 1 by 2a, so into 1 log of t minus 1 by t plus 1. X minus a by x plus a plus c. And this is definite integral, so we will not have plus c. And at last, you can replace the values here, 2 and 3, the intervals. Okay, integration is done. இப்போ substitution மட்டும்தான். So இது என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by 4 log Now replace the upper values. 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus the lower interval log 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, hope this is clear for everyone. Now again, let's simplify this. Log A minus log B is log of A by B. So log of 2 by 4 by 1 by 3. So rearranging that, this is 1 by 4 log 2 by 4 is another 1 by 2 into 3 by 1, right? After reciprocation. So this is finally 1 by 4 log of 3 by 2 is the final answer. These two are very interesting and special type questions. So nalla practice panunga. This is going to be very useful for all of you. See you all soon in another video. Have a great day. Take care.